Hi, I'm Brennan with IGS Home Warranty, and I'm here to show you how to maintain your furnace. Step 1. Turn off the furnace. You can do this via the switch on the side of the unit or by turning off the corresponding breaker. Step 2. Inspect for leaks. Holes or sections of rust can leak carbon monoxide into your home, which is extremely dangerous. If you notice any of these irregularities, the pipe should be replaced. Step 3. Remove the cover and vacuum off the dust that may have accumulated around the burners and the blower. Step 4. Replace the air filter. This should typically be done twice per year. If you smell gas, call a professional to inspect your furnace. Step 5. Replace the cover. And that's it. I'm Brennan. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.